everyone. Today I'll briefly explain the working principle and core advantages of G5 basic microswitch, applied in rolling shutter door equipment. Two G5 microswitches are installed inside the limit box of the rolling shutter door motor, controlling the upper and lower limits of the door respectively. When the motor runs, gears drive the screw to rotate. The adjustable limit nut on the screw moves back and forth to trigger the switch. During normal lifting and lowering, the switch stays normally closed and conductive, keeping the motor powered on. When the door reaches the preset extreme position, the limit nut presses the switch roller. Thanks to the unique snap action structure of G5 switch, the control circuit cuts off instantly and the motor stops immediately. It effectively avoids over-rolling, collision, and curtain damage. When the door runs reversely, the nut separates from the roller. The internal spring rebounds to reset the switch. Circuit recovers conduction, and the device can operate again. G5 microswitch has become the standard core part for rolling shutter doors, with excellent compatibility. First, short actuation travel ensures high positioning accuracy. It resists light equipment vibration and avoids false shutdown. Second, 1/6A high current silver alloy contact features arc resistance and anti-ablation performance, preventing door out of control failure. Third, long mechanical service life guarantees stable frequent start-stop operations with nearly maintenance-free use. It features wide temperature resistance, basic dust-proof performance, and optional waterproof grade, suitable for stores, garages, factories, and other scenarios.